Hello student, welcome you again to the class 1. Yes, we are learning subject maths. Yes. And student, in previous video we have started our lesson or chapter number 6, numbers up to 20. So in this video also we are continuing with this chapter. Yes, we will continue with this chapter numbers up to 20. Okay. So in this video we are going to see the topic greater and smaller numbers and comparison of numbers. Okay. So for that student you have to open your textbook page number 67. Yes, we will start with the first topic greater and smaller number. Yes. So what is mean by smaller number? Yes. Smaller number. First see the number strip. Yes. So what is mean by smaller number we will see first. Okay. A number which comes before any number on the number strip is smaller than that number. Yes, a number that comes before any number, that number is smaller than the given number. Okay, I will show you with example. Example 15 and 11. Yes, 15 and 11. So see, where is the 15? Yes, on the number strip. Yes, you can see where is the number 15 on number strip. Yes. Now see the 11. Where is the number 11 is on the number strip? Yes, before the 15. Yes, before the 15. Student, you can see here. See, number 15 is here and number 11 is here. So you can see that 11 comes before the number strip. Yes, we have to start from the 1. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. 11 comes first and then 12 13 14 and 15. 15 comes later. So 11 comes before the 15 on number strip. So the you can say that 11 is smaller than 15. Yes, 11 is smaller than 15. Yes, so you understand how to find the smaller number? Yes, with the number that comes before the given number on the number strip is smaller than the that number. Now student, here we are going to see exercise regarding to the smaller number. Take the smaller number in the following. Yes, so for that we are going to use the number strip. Now see the first pair. Yes, first pair is 13 and 15. So you have to find out where is the 13. Yes, you can see 13 is here and where is 15? Here. Yes, now you can see that 13 comes before the 15 on number strip. So you can say that 13 is the smaller number. Yes, 13 is the smaller number among these two. So tick the 13. Yes. Now see the next pair. Okay. 18 and 19. 18 and 19. Again you have to check the both numbers. Where is the 18? Yes, 18 is here. Yes, see where I gave the dot? Yes, below the 18. And now see where is the number 19? Yes, after 18. So you can clearly see that 18 comes before the 19. 18 comes before the 19. So you can say that 18 is smaller than 19. 18 is smaller than 19. So what you have to do? Take the smaller number. So tick on the 18. You have to write answers in your textbook. Now see the next pair. Yes, 20 and 15. 20 and 15. So first find out where is the 20. See in the end at the last number 20 is there. Yes. And where is the 15? On the number strip. You can use your pencil to mark it. Yes, on your textbook. Number 15 is here. So which number is comes before? Yes, 15 comes before the 20. So you can say that 15 is smaller than 20. So tick on the 15. Yes, you have to tick on the 15. Yes, you have to tick in your textbook. Now see the next numbers. Yes, 3 and 6. Now again find out where is the 3 on the number strip. Yes, where is 3 on the number strip? Yes, it is here. And where is 6? Yes, after the 3. So which number comes before? Yes, 3 comes before the 6. So 3 is the smaller number. 3 is the smaller number. So you have to take on the 3. Yes, you have to take on the number 3. Yes. So you understand how to find the smaller number? Yes, the number that comes before on the number strip is smaller than that number. Okay. Now student, here are two more examples are there, 17 and 12, 12 and 19. That is your pH. Okay, you have to solve by yourself. Find the smaller number and you have to tick there. Yes. Okay. Now student, we will move to the next concept, that is greater number. What is greater number? A number which comes after any number on the number strip is greater than that number. Yes, the number that comes after any number on the number strip is greater than that number. Yes, now we will see the example. Yes, see the first number strip. Yes, now example 12 and 9. Okay, now we will find out where is the 12. Yes, here is the 12 and where is 9? Here. So 9 comes first and 12 comes after. So after 9, 12 is there or any number from the, yes, on the number strip that is given after the 9 are the greater than, yes, 9. But here we are going to see, compare only between these two numbers 12 and 9. So you can see that 12 comes after the, yes, 12 comes after the 9 on the number strip. So you can say that 12 is greater than 9. Yes, if the number comes before, that time you will say it is a smaller number, and if the number comes after, you will say, yes, after number. Okay, greater number. Okay. Now student, we will see the exercise regarding that. Yes, take the greater number in the following pairs. Yes, some pairs are given here. So using the number strip, you have to find out the greater number and tick on it. So see the first one, 18 and 19. Which two numbers are there? 18 and 19. Okay. Now what you have to do? Find where is the number 18? Yes, it is here. And where is number 19? It is here. Yes. So you can see that number 19 comes after the 18. So you can say 19 is greater than the 18. So tick on that number. Very good. Now see the next pair. Yes, 14 and 15. 14 and 15. So again you have to see where is the number 14 on number strip. Yes, it is here. And where is number 15? It is here. So 15 comes before 14 or after 14? Yes, after 14. So when the numbers come after, that time you can say it is a greater number. Now in this pair, 15 is the greater number. So tick on 15. Yes, you have to write answers in your textbook. Where? Your textbook. Okay. Now we will see the next pair. Yes, 16 and 12. Again see where is the 16 on number strip? Here. And where is the 12? Yes. So which number comes before and which comes after? Yes, 12 comes before and 16 comes after 12. So you can say 16 is the greater number because it comes after the 12. Okay, because we are comparing between only these two numbers. Okay, so 16 is greater number in this pair. You have to tick there. Okay, now see the next 11 and 18. Now find out where is the 11. Here. And where is the 18? Here. Okay, now you can see that 18 comes after the 11. Yes, it comes after the 11. So you can say 18 is the greater number. 18 is the greater number. So you understand, student, how to find out the greater number? Yes, that comes after any number on the number strip is a greater than that number. Okay, now remaining two pairs, that is your pH. Yes, you have to find out the greater number and tick on it. Okay, now student, we will move to our next topic or next concept, that is comparison of numbers. Okay, for that student, you have to open page number 64. Page number 64. Comparison of numbers. Now you can compare greater numbers, smaller numbers. Yes, but to denote that, yes, smaller or greater number, what we do? We use symbol to compare two numbers. Yes, one symbol is given, that is a greater than symbol. Yes, we use symbol to compare the two numbers. Yes, to denote greater number, smaller number, we use symbols. See, greater number and smaller number. So I use the symbol. Yes, to show the greater number, I use the symbol. That the symbol open side is facing the greater number and closed side is facing the smaller number. Yes, always remember that open side faces the greater number. In previous video also I told you this. And closed side faces the smaller number. And how will you read this? Yes, if the greater number is given first and this symbol is given, you will read this symbol as a greater than. How will you read it? Greater than. See, now we will see these examples 14 and 12. Yes, so which number is greater, 14 or 12? Yes, 14. So we will give the symbol. This open side is facing the greater number 14. And how will you read? 14 is greater than 12. Okay, now see the next 12 and 10. Again open side is facing the greater number. And how will you read it? 12 is greater than 10. 12 is greater than 10. Again you have to remember one thing. A two-digit number is always greater than the one-digit number. Yes, two-digit numbers are always greater than one-digit number. Suppose two numbers are given 6 and 14. Yes, the 14 is greater because it having two digit. Okay, now we will see the another symbol. To show both numbers equal, we use equal than sign. Yes, equal sign. Yes, so equal to sign to show the numbers both equal numbers. Yes, the both numbers are equal, that time we use the equal sign. Yes, now here see 12 equal to 12, 16 equal to 16. Yes, now here is a smart tip given. Greater number is always put on the open side of sign. Yes, greater number always put on the open side of the sign, as I told you before. And smaller number is always put on the closed side of the sign. Okay, so student, you understand greater than and smaller than concept and how to compare the number using. Yes, understand? Okay, now we will see the exercise regarding that. Okay, on the same page there is exercise given. Yes, page number 68. Put greater than, smaller than or equal to sign in the given space. Okay, so we will see the examples. Yes, put greater than, smaller than, or equal to in the given space. You have to use these symbols in given spaces. Okay. Now see the first. Okay, 7 and 9. Which two numbers are given? 7 and 9. Okay. So you can see that which number is smaller and greater? Yes, number 7 is smaller than 9. Yes, if the smaller number is given first, that time you will use the smaller than sign. Yes, the close side is you have to, yes, put on the smaller number and open side to the greater number. So put the smaller than sign there. Yes. Yes. When the smaller number is given first, you have to give the smaller than sign. Yes. The sign close side to the smaller number and open side to the greater number. Now two numbers are given here, 16 and 14. Yes. Among these two numbers, yes, 16 is a greater number and 14 is a smaller number. Yes. So you have to give the open side to the greater number. So how will you read this? Put a sign. 16 is greater than 14. 16 is greater than 14. Okay. Open side, put on a greater number. Open side always faces the greater number. Okay. And close side on the smaller number. Now see the next example. See the next example. 12 and 16. Which two numbers are there? 12 and 16. Okay. So 12 is smaller or greater than 16? Yes. 12 is smaller than 16. Yes. So when the smaller number is given first, yes, you have to put a close side on the small there. Yes. So give the smaller than sign. Yes, you have to give this sign in your textbook. You have to, yes, denote this in your textbook. And how will you read it? 12 is smaller than 16. 12 is smaller than 16. Now, see the next example. 15 and 15. Both the numbers are equal? Yes, 15 and 15. Both are same numbers, equal. So, when you want to denote the numbers are equal, that time what sign you will use? Yes, it is equal to sign. Yes, so put equal to sign here. Yes, and how will you read it? 15 equal to 15. Yes, 15 is equal to 15. Now see the last example. 5 and 16. Yes, now here you have to remember 5 is a one digit number and 16 is two digit number. Yes, 10 and 6. 1 10 and 6 1 make 16. Yes, you have to read number like this. Okay, you have to practice like this. If the number 16 is there, 1 10 and 6 1. 15 is there, 1 10 and 5 ones. Okay, we will do one project regarding to tens and ones, but in next video. Okay, not next, after some videos I will send one video regarding to the, yes, that tens and ones. Okay, that will be a fun. You have to make that project and also play and learn. Okay, so the number 5 is only one digit number and 16 two digit number. So what is the, yes, what is the rule? Yes, you remember? No? Yes, one digit number is always smaller than a two digit number, or two digit number is always greater than a one digit number. Means 16 is a greater number and 5 is a smaller number. So you have to, yes, put on the open side on the greater number and close side on a smaller number. 5 is smaller than 16. How will you read? 5 is smaller than 16. So student, you understand? Yes, what is greater than, what is smaller than, How to denote that? Using the signs greater than, smaller than, and if the numbers are equal. Yes, what to do? Give the equal to sign. Yes, you can do it. Yes. Now these remaining examples are your pH. Okay, you have to solve by yourself. Okay, you can take a help of your parents, but try to solve it by yourself. It is too easy. Yes, you understand? So till then, student, bye. Have a nice day.